I was at the thrift store and bought this for 50 cents, and I'm absolutely in love. It is Meals in a Jar. Meals in a Jar, quick, easy, just add water, homemade recipes. Julie Languille. And I think I have another book from her. And it's not that old. It is published in, let me look here, by Ulysses Press. It was published, in 2013. So it's probably something you can still find in print is what I'm trying to get at. Lots of meals in jars recipes, canning recipes, and she's a rebel because she's got a canned cheese recipe in there. So I'm going to be going through and doing several of these in a series I'm doing on meals in a jar, and doing canning jar recipes where you dehydrate things and put them in a jar for quick meals. Cookie mixes in a jar. I've been doing a series on that. Bread mixes, cake mixes. I've been doing a series on that. And so this book is going to help so much with that. I'm so excited. So I really like it. I recommend it. And I think that you will like it too, Rebels. So Meals in a Jar by Julie Languille. I have quite a few empty jars, and I really hate having empty jars on my shelf. So this is a great way to store my jars filled with quick and easy things. Check out the playlist on cookies in a jar. Many of these are quick and easy to assemble, and you can even use, those old spaghetti jars for this. Don't even have to use lids. You could use peanut butter jar lids. Check out that video. I like to have a lot of soup mixes in a jar, and quick and easy soups are wonderful for fall and winter evenings. I also have a whole playlist you can check out on cookbook and canning book reviews. Oh, and don't forget, recipe files from the Rebel Canners Facebook group is now available as a book on Amazon. Thank you, everyone. Like, subscribe, and as always, make sure your notification bell is rung. You don't want to miss another episode. Exciting things to come this winter.